Salutations from Elina Leight of House Leight. A fantastic ball is to be held in Calpheon in the year 2022 on the 11th day of December for the countless adventurers across the globe. I expect many of you to be occupied with lengthy travels, but for the sake of hosting a meaningful ball and as a token of our gratitude, I present this invitation. To give 2022 a proper send-off, and to share our anticipation of the coming 2023, you are cordially invited to a refuge from the fierce winter cold. On December 11th, 2022, I eagerly await your presence at the Calpheon Ball.